Today I've been joined by Oliver the orangutan, and he's got a favourite activity for us to do today. He's brought us his special bag, and inside are some shapes. So I thought we could have a look at them together and see if we can name the shapes that he has got in his bag. Oh, let's have a look at what shapes you have, Oliver. Oh, the first shape I found in his shape bag is a circle, and this circle is round. So I'm going to put that on the paper, and then I'm going to have a look and see what other shapes Oliver the orangutan has got in his special bag. The next shape I can see is, oh, this is a different shape, and it's a big square, and it's a square that has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So this is called a square. Oh, I wonder what we're going to do with a square and a circle. We're going to have to think about what picture we're going to make. Oh, let's have a look and see what's inside your bag, Oliver. Oh, you've got some other squares. Oh, these squares are a different size. They are a little bit smaller. These are small squares, and these 2 small squares also have 4 sides. Oh, I wonder what shape we can find in your bag next, Oliver. Oh, I can see a triangle. This triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides. And there's one more shape left, Oliver. Let's have a look and see what it is. This shape is called a rectangle. And this rectangle I can see has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Now, Oliver, what would you like us to do with these shapes? Oh, Oliver would like us to make a shape picture. I wonder what shape picture we could make. So we've got a triangle, some squares, a circle and a rectangle. I think we could make a lovely picture of a house today. So today we're going to be learning to use the shapes to make a house. So I think, Oliver, we should start off with the big square. So I'm going to use some glue, and I'm going to take the glue stick, and I'm going to glue the back of this square so it sticks down onto my paper. Now, if you're at home with your grown-ups, you can ask your grown-ups to help you cut out some shapes so that you can make a shape picture just like Oliver is doing with Mrs. Pasha today. So I'm going to stick my square down onto the paper, and this is going to be the start of my house. Now, my house needs a roof. So I think I'm going to use a triangle and it's going to go on top of my square to make the roof of my house. There we go. And I'm going to stick that down carefully. Move the other shapes. There we go. And I'm going to press it down to make the roof of my house. Now, what shape shall I use next? Now, my house needs a door, so I think a rectangle will make a perfect door. So I'm going to use the glue again, and I'm going to put the glue at the back and stick that just here to make the door of my house. Now, this house needs to have some windows, and I think these 2 squares will be perfect to have as windows. So I'm going to use the smaller squares to make the windows of the house. So I'm going to stick that on here very carefully. Oh, there we go. There we go. And I'll stick that on over here. now. Fantastic, I have made my house. Now I can see a round circle shape and it's a yellow colour. So I think that would be perfect to go above my house to make it nice and sunny. So I'm going to put the sunshine right at the top here of my house to make it a nice sunny house picture. So I have finished making my shape picture today, and I have used a triangle, I've used a big square, a small square, a rectangle and a circle. So children, when you're at home, maybe you'd like to make a shape picture just like this one, and you can ask your grown-ups to help you to cut around some shapes so that you can make your beautiful shape pictures, and we would love to see them in nurseries. So maybe your grown-ups could even take a photograph of your shape picture and we can have a look at them at a later time. Now, to help us remember all the shapes, remember the names of all the shapes, we're going to have a listen to a shape song which you can sing out